ugly scenes really unfolding there at the Patiala House Court here in the capital, with journalists being beaten up just for doing their job. I was talking to my colleague Sonal Mehrotra just a few minutes ago, who in fact sounded quite shaken, saying she is very, very shocked really with what she has witnessed there firsthand. Many reporters and camera persons are being attacked as we speak just for doing their job, just for covering the court proceedings. Remember, the scuffle erupted just minutes before the hearing on JNU Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar was to take place. He was, of course, arrested last week. There have been protests at JNU over his arrest ever since, and now absolutely ugly and shocking scenes unfolding here at the Patiala House Court in Delhi. Really, many would say it's an absolute shame that people are being attacked for simply doing their job. We're told many lawyers, in fact, started threatening and intimidating the media people present inside the courtroom just to cover the court proceedings. In fact, several JNU students and teachers have also been attacked by many of these lawyers who've been shouting slogans against the JNU students, the teachers, even the media, calling everyone anti-national, labeling everyone anti-national just for doing their job. Those really are the ugly scenes that are unfolding right now at the Patiala House Court here in the national capital as we speak. Utter chaos, as Sonal has been reporting, utter chaos at the Patiala House Court, where a hearing was meant to take place on the arrest of the JNU Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar. He was arrested last week in connection with an event that was held at the university in support of Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru. Kanhaiya Kumar has been charged with sedition, and of course the students have been protesting there, demanding his release, saying that he's done nothing wrong. But of course, this has taken a completely political turn over the last few days, and the fight really seems to be getting uglier by the day. Now you have a situation where lawyers, alleged supporters of the BJP, gathered in this courtroom where that hearing was supposed to take place and started intimidating and threatening a lot of the people, JNU students, teachers, as well as reporters and camera persons present there. Many of them have been beaten up. It wasn't just confined to intimidation. It wasn't just limited to threats. Many people who were present in that courtroom, just doing their job, just covering the court proceedings, have in fact been beaten up by a lot of those alleged BJP supporters who had gathered at the court premises. Many of them lawyers, unfortunately and shockingly. Many of them lawyers turning on the JNU students, turning on the teachers, turning on the media who were present there just doing their job.